As you can see, that this is the cooked beef distribution. It's being cooked fresh. This was only slaughtered this morning, so we're going to have enough to feed a couple of hundred people, inshallah. But a big jazakallah khair to everyone who's donated towards this. As you can see there, look, bubbling. Yeah, for some of them, this is going to be the first time they've had meat in months. So it's only because of you generous donors that this has been possible. So big jazakallah khair to you, inshallah. So this is the container that it's going to come in. It's going to hold over 1 kg of cooked meat. So you're going to have this. Alhamdulillah, they'll be eating well for a couple of days, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, we have one of our
chefs in the house.
One of our chefs in the house, Hussein Bhai, from team Rohingya. He's been wanting to come and cook for the Rohingyas for a while now. MashaAllah. You enjoying that? It smells lovely, you know that, MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Brother Amin, could you just explain briefly what you're doing?
He's a second chef, by the way.
Cooking beef. Call me chef.
Yeah.
As you can see.
I don't have much experience, man. Alhamdulillah.
But to be honest, the smell, MashaAllah, it smells really nice.
It does smell nice.
What are you cooking, Amin?